to solve your wide past questions in today's class. Today we'll continue on the concept of vector in mathematics, and we solve different aspects or concepts in vector in today's class as we cut across addition and subtraction of vector, magnitude and direction in vectors, and a lot more in today's class. So just brace up yourself and join us in solving. The first question we'll be solving is from the wide past question 2015. It says the vector u equals to 3I plus 4j and v, which is equals to minus I plus 2j, are given. Then find vector w, which is equals to u plus v. Now to find the vector w, all we have to do is to add vector u plus vector v together. Then we get vector w. So therefore, we had vector u plus v together by placing them beside one another. So we have w equals to open bracket 3I plus 4j, then close bracket, plus open bracket minus I plus 2j, then close bracket. So the next thing for us to do now is to open the bracket and to add each numbers according to their elements. So we add i's together and we add j's together. So therefore we'll be having into bracket 3 minus 1 close bracket I plus into bracket 4 plus 2 close bracket j. So therefore the final answer of vector w therefore will be 2I plus 6j. The next question we'll be solving today's class is from the wide past question 2016. It says find the unit vector in the direction of a equals to 6I minus 8j. So first, say find the unit vector in the direction of a equals to 6I minus 8j. Now to find the unit vector, the first thing we need to do is to find the magnitude of a. So after getting the magnitude, then you can now use that to find the unit vector. So how do we calculate our magnitude? So to calculate the magnitude of a, it's given by the magnitude of a vector is equals to the all square root of I square plus j square. So therefore we have the magnitude of a equals to all square root of 6 square plus into bracket minus 8 square. So therefore we have the square root of what is 6 squared, that will be 36, plus what is minus 8 squared, that will be 64. So 36 plus 64 all will give you 100. So we have the square root of 100. Therefore the magnitude of a is equals to 10. So 10 is the square root of 100. The next thing for us to do now is to calculate our unit vector. So to calculate our unit vector in the direction of a, so we'll be using the formula a unit is equals to vector of a divided by the magnitude of a. So now what is the vector of a? That will be 6I minus 8j. So all divided by the magnitude of a, and that will be 10. So 6I minus 8j, that would be 6I divided by 10 minus 8j divided by 10. Therefore, the final answer will be 0.6I minus 0.8j. That will be unit vector in the direction of a final answer. So the next question we'll be solving today's class is from the wide past question 2017. It said given the vector p is equals to 4I minus j and vector q equals to minus 3I plus 2j, find vector r, which is equals to 2p plus 3q. Now to find vector r, which is equals to 2p plus 3q, all we have to do is to multiply vector p by 2 and add it to vector q that will be also multiplied by 3. Now we have r equals to 2 into bracket 4I minus j, then close bracket, plus 3 into bracket minus 3I plus 2j, then close bracket. So therefore, when we open the bracket, we'll be having 8I minus 2j close bracket plus into bracket minus 9I plus 6j, then close bracket. So when we add these figures together and we open the bracket, so we will deduct 8I from minus 9j, we'll be having minus I plus, and when we deduct minus 2j from 6j, we'll be having plus 4j. Therefore, the final answer of r equals to 2p plus 3q is minus I plus 4j. And the last question we'll be solving in today's class is from the wide past question 2018. The wide past question 2018 says, find the scalar product into bracket dot product of the vector a equals to I plus 2j and b equals to 4I minus j. Now, so to find the scalar product, which is the dot product of a vector, so all we have to do is to find the multiplication of, or you multiply vector a by b. So how do we solve this? So we have a dot b equals to what is the vector a? I plus 2j, and what's vector b? For I minus j. All what we have to do here is to multiply each numbers according to their elements. I will multiply one another as j's will multiply one another, and we add the vectors together. Therefore, we'll be having 1 times 4 plus 2 times into bracket minus 1, then close bracket. So 1 times 4, that will be 4. Then 2 times minus 1, that will be minus 2. So 4 minus 2, that will be 2. The scalar product of A and B, therefore, is 2 as our final answer. Thank you again for joining us for today's class. We look forward to seeing you in our next class, where we'll continue from where we stop as we keep solving more questions across the past questions on different concepts in vector. Join us in our next class, and bye for now.